Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Khushi, and today we are doing the next project from C hashtag. So this is the level points project, and what it is basically, let me tell you. So if you pass the first level of the video game, you get 1 point as your reward, and and if you go on to the same, like if you have passed the second level, then you have 2 points, and the third level 3 points, and it goes on. So it takes the number of levels passed as an input and returns the number of the points as the output. For example, if I passed 2 levels, then I get points as to be 3 because the score of first level and second level both have to be counted. So that's how it is. Let's see the sample input. So for example, I passed 3 levels and thus I get 6 points. It is because each of them is having its respective point, and if we add them, we have 6. So we shouldn't forget about the base case right here, and I think that's what is important. So let's start with the if and else statements. So let's see the levels, how many they are. So here it is levels is going to be equal to 1. So what if the level is 1? Then the computer is going to be returning 1, 1. And let's end the if and else statement right here. And now we have the last statement. So let's say return levels plus points, because both of them are already stated up there. And then it's going to be levels minus 1. This last statement is going to be returning the number of points the player has gotten or he or she has achieved. Now let's run the case and see if it's true or not. Okay guys, one thing which we forgot right here is that we need a double equals right here, because if we write a single equal to, then it is to be considered as a boolean and it cannot directly change from an integer to a boolean. That's the reason why we need to add 2 of these equal to's, and I've added it. Now let's check the test cases. So first one is 4. The input is 4. Thus the player has achieved 4 levels and thus the points are 10. Now let's see how it is. It was level plus points and then level minus 1. So if the level is 4 and the points are 10, it's going to be 15. But out of it, it has removed the number of levels the person has achieved. Thus, we get the output to be 10. And in the same way, we have the other 2 test cases. Test case 2, the input is 2, and thus the expected output, which is the point, is to be 3. And in the third one, we have input to be 10, whereas the output is 55 because it should be for all of those 10 levels. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below and press the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.